Welcome. In this video we'll be learning about systems of linear equations with 2 and 3 variables. Systems of linear equations is when multiple linear equations appear on the same coordinate system or the xy graph. A solution to a system of 2 linear equations with 2 variables is an ordered pair that when substituted into both equations it will produce a true statement for both. 3 possibilities when 2 linear equations with 2 variables occur on the same graph. The 2 lines will intersect at one common point, which means it has one solution. The 2 lines could be parallel, which means it has no common points or no solutions. Or the 2 lines could be identical, which means it has infinite many points and infinite many solutions. Also, with 2 lines intersecting, it could be a consistent and an independent system. A system of equation has at least one solution, then the system is said to be consistent. If not, then the system is said to be inconsistent. If you look at the 2 parallel lines that has no common points, it is inconsistent, but also independent. If a second equation is obtained by multiplying one equation by a non-zero constant, then the system is said to be dependent system. If not, then the system of equation is independent. So looking at the last graph, with the lines being identical, which means it has infinite many common points, it is consistent because it has at least one point or one solution, but it is dependent because the second line is a multiple of the first. A solution to a system of 3 linear equations with 3 variables is an ordered triplet that when substituted into all 3 equations, it produces a true statement for all. The possibilities when 3 linear equations with 3 variables occupy the same xy graph. You could have one solution where the planes intersect in exactly one point. No solution, which means that the 3 planes each intersect each other. At no point do they all intersect. You can also have a no solution, which means that either 2 or all 3 planes are parallel. There's a situation where you have infinite many solutions, which means the planes intersect in a line. Or you could have an infinite many solutions where all 3 equations or planes are identical.